Hey everyone, Bobby Benish with Benish Real Estate Group, and we are here at this busy intersection at 1600 Williams Road. This property is listed for sale and we are about 1/10 of a mile from Highway 37. You can see all of the business and industry that's just across the street and nearby, and we are looking for a new owner. You have Smokin' Jim's Barbecue, the Golden Corral, there's lots of businesses, Lowe's, the new hotel you can see from here. And this place has amazing frontage, and it's on the corner of Indiana 450 and 158. Both are very busy intersections in our area. And again, about 1/10 of a mile from Highway 37, which Bedford is about 25 minutes from Bloomington. We've got Mitchell, Orleans, Paoli, and French Lick, not too far. But take a look at the side of this building. This property is an automotive parts and service station. It was used for a parts store in the front, and so you have lots of options whether you want to stay in the automotive industry or if you're looking to bring a brand new business to our area. It has 2,000 square feet in the finished office, which is heated and cooled, as well as 7,000 square feet of open shop space. There's a bay specific for painting, a paint booth. There's lots of little sections of storage, but you can see, just look how busy we are with all of the traffic and the motion. Lots of people seeing your new business at this excellent location. We have a lot of blacktop that wraps around the building, and then it goes on down to the trees, and you have a gravel lot down there. 7 acres total. But this beautiful, beautiful shop is ready to be converted into something brand new, maybe a giant hibachi restaurant, maybe a furniture store, could be an event barn. But in here you see nice concrete floors. We have massive 19-foot ceilings. This space over here is an open storage room. And there's 2 full bathrooms in this, well, 2 bathrooms, excuse me, in this building. And we have an extra storage on this side, which I'll show you here in a moment. Some of the features that this property has, we have the front entry door there and the rear door here. I think it would make the perfect drive-through for convenience stores. That's very popular in some areas, and you could definitely do that. Over in this area we have our paint booth, wash bay, whatever you need it for. But you can see there's lots of space, lots of opportunity for this property. And then just take a look back and see all this space you have. I mean, we have several vehicles in here, lots of items stored, and again, you've got this beautiful space for whatever business opportunity you are looking for. Keeping it automotive would be, it's already set up for you. But again, so many options, and right now, as the cost to build has skyrocketed, the value in a building that's already done for you with just maybe a little modifications is really, gone up. So let's go take a look over here and look at our building and our space from this side. You'll see we have an extra garage door, a full drive-through, so you can get right to the highway here. You can enter up at that area. It has all the things you would need for an auto parts store, or if you want to build a hot rod shop, there's a lot of really cool hot rods in our area. That'd be a nice thing. My sons would love that. So if you would like more information about this property at 1600 Williams Road in Bedford, Indiana, beautiful southern Indiana, I'd like to point out, give us a call at 812-675-6967.